Welcome back to the lab. This is our first experiment video. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Over here you can see I have my little lab kit. Some blue water. Don't worry, it's only water, and for coloring. For the experiment today. So if you guys watched the last video, I told you guys I was gonna do baking soda vinegar experiments, stuff like that, right? So, thanks to whoever made this, we have our trusty manual. I'm not using it. So, we're going to need some good old baking soda. Obviously not this much. This should do fine. I'm going to set that right over here. Okay, and then we need some vinegar. This is distilled white vinegar. I don't think it matters as long as you have vinegar. Don't drink this. It tastes terrible. My grandpa learned that. Alright, so we have that. So, let's get our test tubes. So we are going to be using about 120 milliliters of vinegar, okay? So let's pour that over at the sink. So let me go do that. Alright, so as you can see, we have it right here. It looks like water, but if you look, there's a little bubbles because that is the vinegar. Okay, so we're going to pour that up in here. So we have the blue water and the vinegar because we're going to be coloring the vinegar to make the stuff over, the baking soda over there look colorful, okay? So then we're going to be using 1 tablespoon. Make sure it is 1 tablespoon. If you want bigger results, use more than a tablespoon if you want. But if you don't want to make it as much of a mess, use less, okay? This is about a good equal amount. Just use that. Then we're going to be pouring that into this bottle right here. So when it goes through the chambers, the vinegar hits the baking soda, and I do have a bowl set up so it does not make a big mess, okay? So let's get our end result spotlight on, okay? So as you can see, we have our colored stuff. So let's load in about 60 milliliters of the blue water. Here's a little bit less. There we go. Alright, now let's load in 60 milliliters of the vinegar. So there's that. So as you can see, the color got lighter. If you haven't seen that, I will go ahead and shine the light on it. So that is the original one, and then that's the ending one with the vinegar in it. So it looks a lot clearer and all. My camera's moving down. Don't want that to happen. Okay, there we go. So we have that over there. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get the experiment going. So, what happened over here? It's the vinegar and the sodium in the baking soda causing a chemical reaction because of the chemicals in them to make it fizz. That's how you know it's a chemical reaction, not something else. So it's a chemical change now. So that's why the fizz was blue. So we still have a good amount left. And we still have a good amount of baking soda left. So we still have a good amount left. And we still have a good amount of baking soda left. So you guys want to do it again? So this time we're going to open both so it equally does it. Alright, so let's do it again. So, as you can see, it was not just regular water on both sides. It was chemically reacting. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys over. So what happened? When the vinegar went through the tubes, went through here, mixed up a little, went over here into where the baking soda was kept. And that's all of our end result. You can see all the bubbles because of the carbonation from the vinegar. That's why all those little bubbles are there, because that's all... Here, let me get my mixing stick. All of this is carbonation. Pretty cool, huh? So, that was the first video. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Let's do it again.